Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore your Bifrost Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end. To restore your Bifrost Wallet, firstly open your Bifrost application. The official page of Bifrost will appear on the screen. To restore your wallet, firstly tap on I already have a wallet. Agree to the terms and conditions of Bifrost by tapping on I agree. Tick mark on the box and click on Backup Now. Rewrite or select the recovery phrase into correct order and click on Continue. Select your new PIN code and confirm your PIN code by re-entering it. If you want to use biometrics to unlock your wallet and sign transactions, click on Enable Biometrics or else tap on Skip. This is how you can recover your Bifrost account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.